Hello family, I know it's been a couple days. I'm sorry about that, but I'm back. This video is going to quickly show you my process on how I take care of my clients when they come through for Dreadlock maintenance. Starting with the hair wash, I like to wash their hair in the sink and condition it in the sink and remove the rubber bands that I installed under previous style in the sink. That's much easier. Hair does not break. As you can see, this is the rubber bands that I just removed from my client's hair. Sometimes I like to keep them in the sink before I take them out to inspect their scalp to make sure that I got all the buildup left. As you can see, there's still some more left that I wasn't able to get with my first 2 rounds of shampoos. So now I'm gonna get my baking soda out, mix it to my 3rd round of shampoo and go in with it. After getting it squeaky clean, hair is clean and ready to be twisted. I blow dry it, oil the scalp, massage the scalp, and start the twist. And here's the first row. Wait for the finished look.